So you want to keep adding water. I've got it tilted up on some blocks. You want to keep adding water until you get the water running down into the little lake or ocean or whatever you want to call the lower part of your stream table. The kids, you're just going to have to let them play. The stuff is kind of like oobleck when it gets wet, and it's just kind of fun to play with. Of course, people wonder about germs. My cheat is to put a little bleach in water and spray everything when I'm done each day. I know some people aren't allowed to do that, but it does the job. Another trick is everything gets dirty, so in your pitcher that you're using, that'll be by the kids' table as well because they'll need water. If you just dip everything in that, it cleans up pretty well. Even that will be covered in a fine dust. Now the way this works is you get yourself a little plastic cup like this, and I'm using tubing here. You could use a coffee straw that has a hole through it, and then I just ran a wire through the tube so that you can bend it to whatever shape you want. And you're going to create a siphon, so that gives you a chance to teach about how those work as well. And this is going to be your reservoir, and you can set it really anywhere you want. There's unlimited numbers of ways you can get this going. So what I have the kids do is put this in, and you want to get the air bubbles obviously out of the hose if you're going to create a siphon, and sometimes it takes a little practice. I cover one end with my finger. I've got a little notch in the side here, and depending on how low I put this, you get little drips of water coming out. You can adjust the flow based on how high the water is in the cup, so you have to keep filling the cup. I'll get a little closer, so hopefully you can see a little bit better. Now, once you've got it going, then you've got to wait. And you can see this is the first time doing it. This is going to be kind of dry, and so you're going to tend not to see as much. Whereas if the soil is wetter, you're going to see the erosion happening quicker. Sometimes this will get clogged up, and what I'll do is I'll have a little jar with alcohol in it, and I'll go around and dip them and blow them out, dip them again, and then use the tube again. So this isn't coming out super fast. There we go. A little better. So you get a little lake forming here, and then you'll start seeing where the water cascades down. I'm going to grab the camera so you can see it a little better. This is some